In this question, you have to identify the incorrect statement. Option A, sapwood is the innermost secondary xylem and is lighter in color. Now, sapwood is actually the outermost part of the secondary xylem and not the innermost. It is lighter in color and actively conducts water and minerals. Hence, this is false. So, it is the correct option. Option B, due to deposition of tannins, resins, oils, etc., heartwood is dark in color. Now, this is true. The deposition of these substances indeed makes heartwood darker and more resistant to decay. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, heartwood does not conduct water but gives mechanical support. This is also true. Heartwood, which is the inner part of the wood, is dead and no longer conducts water. It provides only structural support to the tree. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, sapwood is involved in conduction of water and minerals from root to leaf. This is also true. Sapwood is responsible for conduction of water and minerals from the roots to the leaves through xylem. Hence, it is incorrect option.